What's up, everybody? It's Lord of the Wings here. Today we are going to be changing the brake pads on my 99 Dodge Ram 5.2 liter V8 4x4. It's a Laramie SLT submodel. I don't know if anybody else wants to know that, but it just means it's a little bit bigger truck than most extended cab. Anyway, we of course went to AutoZone. Like I said, that's where I always go. Um, Went there and got these Duralast metallic brake pads. I could have went up a little bit higher, but decided just to get the basic ones right now. Brake cleaner for the rotors. You want to make sure to clean your rotors. And then just in case, some brake fluid. .3. Um, Already went ahead and got the vehicle jacked up with the tire off. Let's see if I can show y'all real quick. See, I already got the tire off and everything. My jack there. I've got a jack stand behind it just in case. Always safety first. Then I'll have my safety glasses on up under here. Always. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. You never know what kind of freak accident you can have. Just a quick plug. The one thing that turned me on to always wearing my safety glasses was somebody made me watch a video uh, from Kentucky Ballistics. You can search them on YouTube. Uh, my 50 cal exploded. Sorry about that. Got some people traveling down the road. But it's called My 50 Cal Exploded. And the damage that guy had happened to him really turned me on to making sure I wear my safety glasses. Because if he hadn't had the safety glasses on, he would have been really messed up. Let's just put it that way. I'm not going to really tell you everything. It doesn't really get graphic on the video, but it can get your nerves. So, but anyway, going off on a tangent here. Living in the South, I got mosquitoes, so we're going to be dealing with that tonight as well. It's already getting kind of late in the evening. Kind of procrastinated today, but we're going to get it done. So we're going to pause it here, and the next time I'll see you up under the truck. Let's do this. All right, we're back up under here. This is the caliper rotor right here. This is towards the front of the truck, that way. Front of the truck is that way. I'm on the left side right now. Fender well. Like I said, I already pulled the tire. Excuse me. Already pulled the tire off. As looking at this, I'm probably going to make a future video where I come back and change out these rotors because these rotors look a little worn. I'll show you once I pull them off. We'll inspect them. And then I'll also show you where whoever did the work beforehand cross-threaded my nut here. So now I'm not going to be able to put this one back on. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to get it off here. I've got a hex socket here, an HW9. I don't know if you can really see that. Come on. It's an HW9 coming in a little tool set. Little thing I got here from Walmart. Little, put it on my socket here. Make sure we're good to come up. Now you got two bolts right here for this socket right here. There's one up here, and then there's one, I think you can barely see it, right there. They're both inside little rubber grommets here. So, start out loosening these. Alright, we're back now. I think I got my pry there. One thing that I was forgetting, being on the left side, this is going to be reversed. When you're looking at it this way, my light keeps getting away from you. When you're looking at it this way, you want to think righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So lefty-loosey would be down in this case, while as on the other side, it's going to be up. I'm only going to be showing y'all one side at a time. You know, we may do both sides. It just depends on how late it takes us. So start out by loosening those. Let me get that out. Let me loosen this one up here. Brake line's getting in the way. go. I'm seated in there. Come down. There we go. Alright, I've got them loose now. Sorry about that though, y'all. Lost a little memory in my phone, so there's going to be little parts where it jumps around a little bit. Almost. These are very long-winded bolts. Alright, I think that's out. It's going to take a little effort, I should say. That one's not as far out. There we go. There we go. Now every brake job is going to be a little different, but as far as how to get them off, the bolts are going to be different. They're on there tight. Always running difficulty doing this stuff. Sorry about that. I got a dog in the background too. He's chained up over here, just barking with me, being my little companion along with all my other little babies. Copper. It's okay, Bubbies. There we go. Alright, as you see, if I can get it up here, I got the caliper off. Get a flat head, which I forgot to get when I sat back down. Let's go ahead and pull this old one out. This one. And I'm going to use it again. Be right back. Alright, we're back. Got the caliper here. Old brake pads, as you can see, are really, really bad. See how thin those are? They're not supposed to look like that. This other one over here, she's got little clips right here. I'm gonna take, just kind of pry up on them, pop right off. You want to make sure not to leave this hanging. It's got a hose right here. See this hose goes from up here to the caliper down through here. That's the brake line. Want to make sure that you don't kink it up and get it all twisted. That's one of the main things you want to make sure that happens. As you can kind of see, I'll go and pull the rotor off. You can kind of see as well. See all those little grooves and stuff? Not too good. I'm going to take some brake cleaner and clean them off. And yeah, see that one is going to have to be replaced. I don't know how they're going to get to it, but we'll get it done. Put this back on here. Okay, there we go. Got it centered back on there. Alright, and now time to get the new pads. Alright, we're back. I got my new pads. This is the old pad. This is the new pad. See the difference? That's what you're looking for. Got some of this brake lubricant here too. Put a little bit on the back side of the pad, not much. Just a little bit. And it'll help the squealing a little bit. Not, you know, I don't know if y'all ever noticed it going down the road. But yeah. Put a little bit on the back side. On both of them. Alright. Now, before you do that, you also need a C-clamp. I'm going to show you what a C-clamp looks like. It's literally a clamp shaped like a C. And what you need that for, so you can decompress the brake cylinder in the caliper back down to be able to get your brakes in. And how you're going to do that is you're going to take your old brake pad. Y'all see this little piece right here? See if I can get better lighting on it. Right there. This is your cylinder. This is what you're trying to press back in. Okay? Take your brake pad. Line it up in there. Well, if I can get it in there, y'all. There we go. You can take your C-clamp, put it to the back. See how it's hooked on the back there? And you just start tightening. Now, one thing that probably make it a little easier is if I went and released the cap on my brake fluid. It would help push the air out. But I've already gotten this far, so I'm going to keep on going. Push it all the way till it's flat. I don't know if y'all can see it pushing in there. There we go. It's just slowly pushing in. What this does is push the fluid back. This is all kind of hydraulic wise. It has fluid stuck in the line, and as you push the brake, it pushes that cylinder down. So I almost got it there. Okay, I think that's all she wrote on that one. Alright. C-clamp can come off. Old brake pad off. There's the new, no, that's the old brake pad. It's also the old brake pad. There it is. That's the one that goes on the outside. And see, you'll know the difference when one goes on the outside, because that's what clips on this side over here. Okay? This one has the little clips that go down and they'll pop in there. There you go. Pop, pop. And there's also got little guides right here and right here. So, take and put, it's got, I don't know if you can see them little holes right here. Got one on each side. And in these things there's little indentions. That's what it's supposed to be Might want to take your little flathead. You might have to take your little flathead and kind of pry on it while you're pushing down. But it should kind of pop on there. We'll work one side down at a time. There you go. Just kind of push it. Just got to be even with it. Alright. Come on. There we go. Pop, pop. It popped right in. Heard it? Alright. Now, to get it back in there. Come on. There we go. Now tighten them back up. Just got to find the hole. Okay, found that one. Alright, got it back on here. Now we got to tighten them down. You don't want to go like really tight. Once again, probably in between 15 and 20 foot-pounds of torque. It's just kind of hand tight down. Get in there. Now, I'm only going to be doing one tire. It is getting late. It's already 8:30 p.m. The other side's the exact same way, just the other side. Alright, I keep losing memory, y'all, so we're going to get this done as quick as possible. Get these tightened down. I'm doing this all off my phone. Just kind of snug in there. Notice the line is not kinked. I'll make sure to keep that straight to where it doesn't get kinked up.